Alright. So now I finally get to start on this. I'm taking a leather punch. Basically making a perfect circle around the bolts, or exposing the screws.
Godforsaken place like this. A friend of mine in the Navy said that I might be able to find some real action here. I think I've been hoodwinked. I don't know, sir. From the way we've been fortifying this little island, I'd say your friend has some good intel.
See that?
Very funny. Sit the hell down, Devin.
Oh, this is nice.
I'm gonna keep this short. I know some of you thought it was a pain in the ass as XO, but that's about to get worse. We're headed back to Pearl to supply it. Probably because
Fuck.
is coming down with mine.
Pardon my French. But I'm going to show you these just as proof. I don't know if you can tell. These screws are already stripped out. I just took them off. Took the backing off. These two screws are already stripped out. So that's wonderful.
I don't know if I can do this, sir.
Because they use a drill and they zip screw these in instead of just using a regular Phillips head screwdriver. They strip these damn screws out. I don't know why they need to do that. But that's how you uncover the 4 screws on the back without using an X-Acto knife and chopping it up. But these 2 screws are good. These 2 are stripped out already. So I may have to ruin these to get these out, but I got replacements, so it's okay. But this is what it looks like after you use a leather punch tool. These little perfect circles. If I wanted to, I could probably glue these back on into place, but that would just look too tacky.